How to set 80% charging limit on iPhone 8 Plus. If you are using an iPhone 8 Plus and want to limit your charging to 80% to protect your battery health, then in this video, I will show you the best available option. First, let me clear one thing. iPhone 8 Plus does not have the official 80% charging limit feature. This feature is only available on newer iPhone models like iPhone 15 and above. But don't worry, iPhone 8 Plus has another useful feature called optimized battery charging that helps reduce battery aging. To enable this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Battery. Then select Battery Health and Charging. Here you will find the option called Optimized Battery Charging. Simply turn this option on. After enabling it, your iPhone learns your daily charging routine and may pause charging around 80% and complete the remaining charge closer to the time you usually unplug your phone. This helps reduce battery stress and can improve your iPhone battery lifespan. So, although you cannot manually set an 80% charging limit on iPhone 8 Plus, enabling optimized battery charging is the best way to protect your battery health. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.